In those days, during a little bit of unpleasantness that occurred between 1939 and 1945, and it's called "There'll Be Bluebirds Over the White Cliffs of Dover." Oh, and Bill has something to add with his English accent.
You can tell that this was written by an American and not an Englishman, because there's never been any bluebirds anywhere near the Northern Hemisphere.
But I have it on authority that this is on Queen Elizabeth's top 10, one of her top 10 tunes of all times.
If you guys were at our set last night, and we were giving you all of these great tunes from all these fake idioms, the fake tunes, you know, the fake Italian tunes and the fake cowboy tunes. This is a fake English tune. Imagine that, with all these Brits in the band, too. Bill Dixon, thanks for keeping it real, man, and getting that straight. I happen to know this is actually recorded by American bands, too. I don't know British band, I'm sure British bands recorded, but they probably didn't because of the Bluebird part. But I know, Vera Lynn, well, she recorded everything. I know that Jimmy Dorsey's band and Glenn Miller's band both recorded this tune. Not that it makes any difference to anyone at this point.
Go with the flow, Jerry.
Over those white cliffs of Dover tomorrow, just you wait and see. There'll be love and laughter and peace ever after tomorrow, when the world is free. Well, now the shepherd will tend his sheep and the valley will bloom again, and the children can go to sleep in their own little room again. Yes, there'll be bluebirds flying over those white cliffs of Dover tomorrow. Just you wait and see. shepherd will tend his sheep, and the valley will bloom again. Little Jimmy can go to sleep in his own little room again. Yes, there'll be bluebirds flying over those white cliffs of Dover tomorrow. Just you wait and see.